from the Vegancentric Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you how to make homemade granola. The first ingredient is 2 cups of quick cook oats. So I'm first going to add half a cup of ground flax seeds, and then a half a cup of ground nuts. And this can be any kind of nuts you want to add. Right now, this is going to be almonds. So mix it together, the dry ingredients. That should be good. And then you're ready to add the wet ingredients. Now add half a cup of date paste. And date paste is just ground dates with water. And what you do is you soak them for about an hour and then process them in a blender. Then a teaspoon of cinnamon, a tablespoon of vanilla, and 1.5 tablespoons of brown rice syrup. And then you're going to mix it all together. You might have to mix it with your hands, just because after a while you can't get it to mix anymore unless you really get in there and squish it around. Yes, I'm still mixing it. What the crap? Now we're going to place this in a dehydrator. And I would recommend using a dehydrator over an oven, because if you put it in an oven, it could get pretty crunchy on you. But if you need to use an oven, you can put it in at 200 degrees for anywhere from a half hour to 45 minutes. You're just going to have to check on it a lot. So now I'm going to put them on a dehydrating rack, and this is what they look like. And I'm going to put parchment on the rack, just because these little grates have holes in them, and I don't want the granola falling through the holes. So now you're going to put some granola right on here and flatten it out so that it'll dehydrate properly. I'm going to put these in the dehydrator at 115 degrees. And I'll check it in about 2 hours. It's been about 2 hours, and now I'm going to check on the granola to see if it's done. And you can tell it's going to be dry, and a lot of it's going to be stuck together just like granola should be. Yep, it's perfect. Allow it to cool and store in a plastic container, and it'll keep for over 2 weeks. Thank you for watching this episode of the Vegancentric Kitchen. If you have any questions, you can email me at vegancentric@yahoo.com.